Hi, welcome back guys. Today I am back with another new video. In this video, I will discuss with very interesting lead code hard problem. This type of question in asked in mainly interview. So please watch this video at the end. You learn lots of things. So let's start this video. So first I discuss with the question. Question is the write a SQL query to find employee who inside the office. Correct. So I have to find who employee inside the office. So I have one office table. If I run the office table, so you can see that in office data set I have total 3 columns: one employee id, employee status, and time id. So basically for here you can see that for if you see employee id 1, employee id status equals to in, and in time equals to 9. And if you go here, employee id 1 out time employee status equals to out, and out time is 9:15. So here you can see employee 1 in time is 9 and out time is 9:15. So this employee is not inside the office. Correct. I will show you the for next I will use like order by also, order by employee underscore id and time underscore id. So if I run, I will this query. So now go with the for employee id 2. So for employee id 2, in time is the 9 and again out time is the 9:15, and employee id 2 again in is the 9:30. So out time is not there, means employee id 2 inside the office. So output is the employee id 2 also. Now go with the employee ID 3. Employee ID 3 out time is the 9, then again 9:15. Employee ID 3 here out time is the 9:30 and in time is the 9:45. So out time is not here. So employee ID 3 also inside the office. Now go with the employee ID 4. Employee ID 4, employee status is in and 9:45, but out is not here. Means employee ID 4 also inside the office. Now go with the employee ID 5. Employee ID 5, employee status is out, is the time ID 9:40. Means employee ID is the outside office. So my expected output is the employee ID 2, 3 and 4. So now start how you can approach this problem. I will show you. I can use the different way to solve the problem. Okay, so first I use the select from office table. Okay, in office table, o double f I office table, I will use first I will take the employee id as a column name. Correct. And I have to use the minimum, or here you can see the here you can see for employee id minimum time are there and maximum time are there. So I have to find the maximum time for the in. I will use maximum of time underscore id. I will take as in time. Okay, I will show you because here I use filter where employee underscore status equals to in. So I will get the only employee underscore status equals to in record. Correct. So I will get the I have to use group by also, group by employee underscore id. So here you can say I will get the only in time for employee id 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to use out time also. In that case I have to give a I have to set null as out time. Okay, if I run, I will get the all out time as the null. I will get the all out time as null. So here you can see the out time is null. So I have to use union all. So same thing I have to find the for employee status equals to out. So I have to copy this one. So I have to paste here. So I have to use select employee id, where here I have to use null because I already found the in time. Okay, so I have to use null as in time, null as in time, null null as in time, and I have to use max of time id, time underscore id. Max of time underscore id is as a out time, and employee status equals to out. So if I run this query, I will get the employee id 1. So I have to use order by also. So I have to use order by. So you have to the clear understanding. order by employee ID. So here you can see that for employee ID 1, in time is the 9 and out time is the 9:15. So employee ID is not inside the office. Now go with the employee ID 2. For employee ID 2, in time is the 9:30 and out time is the 9:15. So employee ID 2 inside the office. Okay. So I have to use CTE. With CTE, I have to use aggregation based on the employee ID. Okay. So I have to close here, select star from CTE. So I have to use here, I have to use employee underscore ID. Okay, and I can use minimum or maximum anything to find the in time or out time. So I can use maximum of in time, and I have to use maximum as, okay, maximum as out time, out time as out time, as out time. So I have to use here, I have to use aggregation. So I have to use group by again, group by employee underscore ID. Okay. So if I run this query, so here you can see that I will get the for employee ID 1, in time is the 9 and out time is the 9:15. Employee ID 2, in time is the 9:30 and out time is the 9:15. So employee ID 2 inside the office, employee ID 3 in time is the 9:45 and out time is the 9:30. So this time is higher in time. So this employee is still inside the office. And if I go with the employee ID 4, in time is there but out time is not there. So employee ID 4 also inside the office. But for employee ID 5 cases, in time is null, out time is there. So employee ID 5 is the outside the office. So I have to use here, I have to use I have to use here group by. I can use having clause, having this max of in time, max of in time greater than max of out time, max of out time, and I have to use or out time is null. Okay, or max of out time, out time is null. Okay, so if I run this query, I will get the expected output 234. So here you can see my expected output 234. I will get the employee ID 234 inside the office. Okay, now we'll show the another approach without union. Okay, without union, how we can solve the problem. First I have to run the data set, select star from office. Okay, so I will show you how you can use without union. So first I have to use employee underscore ID, employee ID. I have to use case when, if employee underscore status equals to in, then I will take as a time ID. Okay, case when, employee underscore status equals to in, if employee underscore status equals to in, then I will take as a time ID. Then I will take time underscore ID, and as I will take as in time. Okay, so I have to use same case when statement for out time also. So case when employee underscore status equals to out, then I will take as time ID, means this out, then I will take this time, and I have to alias name as a out time. So if I run, so here you can see that I will get the almost same output. So I have to aggregation based on the employee ID. Okay, so I have to use with cd as select. Okay, I will use without ct here, I will show you. So I have to use case when, I have to use here max. Okay, I have to find the maximum of in time and maximum of out time, maximum of out time, and I have to use here group by, based on employee ID. Okay, I will get, okay, if I run this query, I will get the, so here you can see the, I will get the for employee ID 1 in time and out time. So here I have to use with ct as, okay, select from CTE. So I have to use employee ID, employee underscore ID. Okay, or I can use select star from CTE, and here I have to use where condition, where in time greater than in time greater than out time. Out time or out time is null, or out time is null, or out time is null. So in that case I will get the same output 2, 3 and 4. So here you can see the expected output is the 2, 3, 4. So here you can see you can without CT you can achieve this output. I will show you. So here directly you have to use after group by having you have to directly use this case when statement, copy here having this greater than this. So in time greater than this out time, in time greater than this out time, or you have to use or condition, out time is null. So if I run this query I will get the same output 2, 3 and 4. This is my expected output. I hope you understand how you can use the like without union and union also. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you visit this channel first time, please subscribe this channel. We'll meet again. Goodbye.